Hello again, this is John. My membership has been released, so my members saw this video 7 days before anybody else. The only reason for the membership is because people have specific questions and I can give specific answers.
Indigo night, drift away. Sing our love where stars will stay. Every tide a secret song. Every heart where we belong. Hey ho, hands up high. Indigo flames across the sky. River boats with lantern glow. Shadows dance as breezes flow. Your reflection in the stream turns the water into dream. Every ripple whispers clear. Every drop pulls you near. Indigo veil, velvet deep. Songs of love will always keep me. Hold the current, ride the flame. Every wave will call your name. If the world forgets the sea, indigo night will set us free. Indigo drift, serenade of fire. Pull me closer, lift me higher. Indigo drift, endless sky. Sing forever in your eyes. Every current, every tone writes our love in undertone. Indigo drift, never fade. Carry me in serenade. Trumpets echo down the quay. Drums like thunder on the sea. Kalimba strikes a silver chord. Strings of love in one accord. Vendors hum while candles burn. Crowds all sway and lanterns turn. Baseline steady, hearts in time. Indigo drift is so divine. Spin me softer, spin me free. Every star belongs to me. Indigo waves will always show where the serenade will go. Indigo drift, serenade of fire. Pull me closer, lift me higher. Indigo drift, endless sky. Sing forever in your eye. Every current, every tone writes our love in undertone. Indigo drift, never fade. Carry me in serenade.
Log drums roll like a thunderclap. 808 tight with a streetwise rap. Steel pan sings through the twilight haze. Glow in the night, it sets ablaze. Your eyes, twin stars on a painted stream. Your hands, the spark of a dancing dream. Beat so heavy, heart so light. Indigo drift through the night.
Let the rivers harmonize. Moonlight fire in your eyes. Every wave a promise true. Every tide returns to you. Indigo drift, serenade of fire. Pull me closer, lift me higher.
Good day, I'm Ioana and I'm village Zvezda. Today I present to you a house for sale with 1860 square meter land, a very big barn, workshop, 2 wells, 2 bedrooms, bathroom and a toilet, very cozy sitting area outside and PVC windows and doors. Come and take a look. Maybe you will like it. continuing to look at the property. We're going back to the nice big space where is the kitchen and the living space. You have lots of music, nice big heater for the winter, which circulate the hot water into the house. And over there you have another door you can go outside. I will show you in a minute. And just want to show you the rest. Here you have another access for outside if you decide to use this exit. Here is a little sport room for the owner, and here you can go out. And here you have another big space, a living space for a winter time when you can enjoy the nice warm wood burner and the quiet life in the village in the winter. Everyone sitting indoors. On a night time, watch telly or have a guest and enjoy their evenings. Here you have again another door which bring lots of light into the room. Here on the floor you have a tiles, it's a laminate. Okay, I'm going to show you the rest of the garden. It's a big how we mentioned already. You have a beautiful sky, nice decoration outside with lots of flowers. How I mentioned, the swimming pool was just empty for cleaning and will be filled back on, so you can enjoy. And this is mango plant, it's very good, it's like it here. And you have that beautiful view in village Zvezda. I'll show you outside the area where you can see on the front of the street how the property look at. Next door is a foreigner guy too, but it's nice neighbor, very friendly, and he have a doggies too. I'm going to show you from outside. The property is close to the center and close to the shop, which is shut at the moment. In the village come in a van who offer to the locals food to buy. If you like this property, come and book appointment with us and we can show to you. That is from me for today. Village Zvezda, only 10 minutes away from town Popovo, region Trgovište. Less of 2 hours to the airport in Varna, an hour away from Ruse. Have a good day. I'm continuing to show you the things around. And how I mentioned to you, the property is with 2 bedrooms and nice sitting area outside, and here you can see even have a fruit of lemon. The season was good for this tree. Yeah, I'm going inside to can show you that nice home. You have a nice big space with tiling floor, island on the middle for the kitchen, beautiful blue color kitchenette with top hob oven. Here the property is split in a few directions. One of here you're going into the bedroom. Here the floor is laminate. You have the original wooden beams which they are painted in a white color. Here there was creator stairs because was want to make it a attic space for a bedrooms, but it's not developed yet there. Here they got a pump, and when then in a village, if the water stop, they are always with water. This means that property can come a big if you develop the attic space. Here we have a one bedroom, a reasonable size bedroom with a laminate floor, and the windows are PVC and the door is wooden one. Again, I mentioned the property will come sold without furnitures. Here you go into another bedroom, nice and cool. The owner selling this property because it's too big for him. He like to have a small property, easy to maintain. The garden is not small, it's 1,860 square meter. We're reaching to the wet room over here. Everywhere into the property have a central heating with floor heating and a bathroom, and radiators on the bedroom. The bathroom is big, and you can see you have a shower, you got toilet, sink and hot tub. There's a little jacuzzi too, not only bath, and two sinks for washing your teeth early morning. Here you can get in another small space which can come a beautiful winter garden for your plants because it's nice and sunny. And from here have a door which they know using it, and bring you to outside little gate which you can see there, but they use it only the big entrance. Now we continue to show you the second part of the property. Hello, I'm in village Zvezda, how you see before little while, and I'm showing you the little fruit garden plot. That house, how I comment before, have two wells and sitting in a nice location in a village. And the house is for sale, and the land is 1,860 square meter land. The property is with 2 bedrooms, nice sitting outside area, living space, chilling place, and Everything is separate on a parts for comfortable life of the owner. He's selling the house with a swimming pool which is empty at the moment. He will clean it and fill it up again. The property has 2 wells with water inside, which is very important these days regard the issues of some village about water. Here you will be fine because you will not have zero problem regard the water, and you will have a nice view regard the hills around. I'll show you here outside the nice sitting area. I just asked the owners to be able to move of their nice afternoon break under the nice shadow. You have a barbecue sitting area outside, nice vineyards with grapes. You can see it, they are nearly ready. And how long more you keep them, they're coming more sweety, the grapes. The property, how we mentioned, is for sale in village Zvezda. Village Zvezda is only 10 minutes away from town Popovo. The windows and the doors been changed. They are PVC windows, and it's nice location to you can enjoy your holiday home or your new home in Bulgaria. The property have a really big warehouse. I'll show you, which is perfect for a workshop or for other issues if you like to use it. The owner have a little puppies and he give them away to anyone who wish a little puppy. They are very cute. I show them to you. They've been well looked after. Cocker Spaniel. And the little house have our own charm and a really interest spicy garden with lots of trees around and lots of flowers. I'm going to show you the big workshop. You see, have a different type of nice trees here. Nice decoration. The property been kept all authentic. The roof been waterproof on the main gates, big metal gates. The property will be sold without furnitures, and all this big space will be empty. You can see the person have a great job doing lots of welding work, make nice gates and nice fences. Lots of tools he has, and he will take it with him.